person that man proposes, God disposes. No perfect man, no perfect woman in marriage. You should know.
Yeah, hold on.
No perfect man, no perfect woman
Wow. I didn't expect
I
you. I didn't know you would make it.
I missed you.
So tell me, where is he?
He went downstairs to have some drink with the others, so I decided to sneak in here to see my boo.
I've missed my baby girl.
I miss you too. So what is our plan?
Well, I am suggesting we go to my house. I have a house in Asaba here. Let's just run away. What do you think?
Chooks, he's going to look for me. That man is crazy. That is why I'm suggesting that we should just poison the idiot and run away.
So how are we going to do that? I mean, how are we going to poison him? Moreover, they are having issues. Chooks and Rubes.
Issues?
Yes.
How?
I'm suspecting they knew each other before now. I think they had a thing. Oh yeah, between them.
You know, Chooks told me about a certain S called Rose. How she left him at the altar on their wedding day. Could this be the same Rose? Ben, you won't believe that's the reason why Chooks has not wedded me till now. He doesn't even want to wed me. But then, I'm glad. I'm glad he never wedded me. So that I can get married to you.
Yeah.
I am so sorry. Listen, I am the most foolish woman on earth. I accept it. Please,
Rose,
I'm sorry.
I cannot forgive you. After all you did to me. Rose, do you know the gravity of what you did?
It's not my,
do you know?
It's not my fault. It's actually that my evil friend Sabina, she deceived me. Please. My Chooks. The way Chooks loves me, God, if that is the way men love women in this life, man, there will not be problem. There will not be any problem in this life.
Rose, I've heard you, I beg. Anything that concerns Chooks right now, I don't want to. I'm very tired and hungry. I just want to go home and rest. Let me see where that love will end.
I don't know, why are you so negative about this guy's love for me? Can't you see? Ever since I met Chooks, I have not lacked anything. Can't you see with your own eyes?
You will not lack anything now. How will you lack? Because he's going to take it back from you. Very soon. He's going to take it back. Just stop giving him what he wants.
I don't understand. What does he want? I'm asking you because if it is my body, he has seen everything. Everything. So what else would he be looking for?
Stop giving him the body. Stop giving him the body. Let us see his real color. If he's going to still stick with you after you stop giving him body, why are you like this? Chooks this, Chooks. I beg, I want to find it. Go and Chooks this one, you and Chooks that one. Somebody will not hear word with you and Chooks. Ritualist Chooks. Are you serious?
Yes, sir. Yes, so he has gotten the money to send I and my brother out of this country. In fact, as we speak now, he has gone to make all the necessary preparations to take us out of the country.
Rose.
Yes.
Be careful. Be very, very careful. Open your eye. Shine your eye. Okay.
Sabina, what is this now? What is it again? What?
What is what? You don't know what is in vogue now? Organ harvesting. Yes! They will say they want to help your sick brother. They will take you to the hospital. When you leave that place now, your brother is sick, he does not know what's happening. They will operate on him, remove his organ and go and sell. You will not know.
Sabina, stop, please. Stop. Okay. I mean, Chooks is not a bad person. He's not. Besides, he's not even traveling with us. It's just myself and my brother. What are you saying again?
Okay. No problem. No problem. Before you say Sabina know how to talk, Sabina is that. No problem. Let's watch and see if he's going to say what he wants to do. No problem. It's okay. Have you told him you don't want sex before marriage again?
No, I haven't.
Why? Because you don't trust him. You don't know what he's going to do.
No, I don't know if I tell him now. What if I tell him and he stops helping my brother? What will I do?
Is that not the point? Tell him now. So that you will see his real color and you know what you are doing. Ha! Okay, oh. Don't tell him. Put your hopes there. When you get disappointed, you say Sabina told me, but I did not listen.
Sabina, I don't like this thing. You're really making me scared of Chooks, and I don't like it.
Be scared.
He's a nice person, but you're putting fears in me.
Be scared. Be scared. Because me, I don't know why I don't like that man. Be scared.
I told you that Chooks is a nice man and he loves me so much. I told you.
I beg. He's very nice.
Of course, he is nice.
He loves you.
Yes.
We will see where it will end. Don't forget to tell him no sex before marriage.
Sabina, I have told him. He said no problem. Besides, we are planning our marriage.
Rose.
Yes.
You cannot see.
See what?
Why is he rushing marriage? Even after you said no sex before marriage, why is he rushing it?
Sabina, love happens.
Romeo and Juliet.
Yes.
Let them not use it for ritual.
Sabina, what did you say?
Because you will not say Sabina did not warn you.
Sabina, listen, all these things you're saying.
You did very well, man. You did very, very well.
But Sabina, that's not fair now. You know Chooks likes me so much.
If he likes you, you'll be patient. He will want what you also want. He'll wait for you to want it.
But I want.
You don't want. You don't want. Unless you want him to use you for ritual.
If it is by like that, like, he can still use me as I'm his girlfriend now.
Who said so? Who? You don't know that ritual of girlfriend, ritual of wife, two different things. Okay, why do you think they used to say, bring somebody that you love the most, bring somebody close to you? I don't understand. Anyways, if you want him to use it for ritual, that's your business, so. My own is that, establish your brother before you die. So that when you are resting in peace, your brother is okay here. And we are okay.
Sabina, is that what you wish me?
It's not me that is
It's you that would die. It's you that would die.
I'm not wishing you. You still don't want to get married. And I say, establish your brother before you rest in peace.
It's you that rest in peace. Just be going, please.
I should be going. Be going. Establish your brother.
Just getting me confused. Just be going.
Come on, do chairs with me.
Come, do chairs, man. Do chairs,
Big sister.
Hey, what are we celebrating? Sabina.
Go buy something.
Sabina, just sit.
Why you do it for my Why did you do it for my
What is the occasion?
My sister. Somebody like Chooks should happen in everybody's life. Hey! Hey!
Eh?
Oh, yes.
What did he do? Don't tell me he gave you money to buy this drink.
Yes, so Uncle Chooks is a nice man. He has promised to give me 5 million naira to start up my importation business.
Hey!
Eh?
Yes, so after I stopped doing that thing. You know that thing, I stopped doing it. I told you now. I stopped doing it with him now.
I can't wait to. Very soon I'll be a big boy. People will be looking
I
at me
know, my brother. I know.
Importer and no exporter. Importer. Start with your friends. Let me go inside.
That's fine. Hey, God. Eh? Rose. Rose.
What?
I wish I was a pastor. Eh? So that I will see vision. And you will also understand this thing I'm telling you. You and your brother should be careful. Both of you should be careful. Okay, you will not say I did not advise you. You will not say so.
Sabina, why now? I don't know. Why this one again? What do you just mean by this?
What do I just mean by this? Okay, no problem. I'll be very happy to lose both brother and sister. Eh? Since you people are enjoying blood money that is going to take back from you very soon. I'll be very, very... Don't worry. I'll be happy. Okay? No problem.
Sabina, your time is up. Get up. Come and stand up. Leave.
Eh?
Come and leave my house now.
I cannot leave now. Leave to where? Oh, The charm is not working, Abi. They have seen that I'm trying to open your eyes. So the charm is working. They want to separate me and you. This friendship, you cannot separate it. I will open your eye. You must see this that I'm telling you. What kind of love is that one now? Even Romeo no do rich. I don't understand. I will call my pastor. My pastor will intervene in this thing. I will not go anywhere. Rose! Rose! Come and see.
Sabina!
Come and see. Leave all those things.
Sabina, when did you come back?
I just got back. My friend. It's okay, calm down. That's not what we are talking about.
What?
Read. Ongwa, read. What do you see here? What's the headline? A man killed his wife 2 days after what? Honeymoon. Good. Read that. Wait. He built house for the family, set up the brother, the whole family members, village people, he set them up. He built church for them. He killed her after honeymoon. I sent it to your WhatsApp. You did not open it. I said, let me come and show you by myself. Because I cannot see this kind of message and I'll let you put your head inside where they'll use you and do ritual.
Sabina, but why would a man do this to his wife now?
Because he's a wicked man now. Like Chooks. You will still marry Chooks.
My God. Sabina, what do I do now?
What do you do as Asa?
Because as we speak, he's on his way to take me to the hotel where we'll stay till tomorrow. Tomorrow is my wedding day.
That's a good one. If he takes you to the hotel, let me just tell you. If he takes you to the hotel and he goes outside, you sneak outside. You come to my house and stay.
Sabina, no, now. That's not fair now. Why would I do this thing to Chooks?
Life is not fair.
He has been good to me and my family. As we speak, my brother is in Turkey, courtesy Chooks. And you want me to do this to him? I had better tell him.
That man that killed his wife, her 2 brothers are in Canada. What is Turkey?
Sabina, no, let me just tell him I don't want to marry him. It's better than leaving him on our wedding day.
Tell him you don't want to marry, so that he will kill you on time. So that you will draw your killing. Don't try it. What is that? You cannot tell him. I have somebody that will work out your visa. Once you escape Chooks now, Fiam, you don't move. All you need to do now is withdraw plenty money. Tell him to give you money. If you cannot tell him, call him. I'll help you to tell him. Don't say I did not warn you. I am giving you space in my house to come and stay. I will work out your travel. You will travel out of the country. You will travel out. Run for your life,
Sabina, why did you come back now? Why are you bringing this thing now? Don't just take your phone, please. Just take your phone now.
You see my good. My good wants to kill me, I'm trying to save you, sir. I'm trying to save you. Tomorrow night you say, Sabina, you knew, you did not tell me. Sabina, you are not a good friend. Rose! Because I will not put my 2 koro and they are killing you.
Banging.
What is banging? Let's go to pharmacy. I'll buy Panadol. Choose now. Decide. Call him. Let me tell him about that money.
I just feel like I don't know what to do.
Talk about money. Now it's not this. Stop panicking. What did you do? Instead of you to be thanking God that He saved you from early death, what did you do? You are here lamenting like somebody. I don't understand. What did you do?
Chooks will kill me. Wherever Chooks sees me, Chooks will kill me, Sabina. Chooks is looking for me everywhere right now, and you know.
Where will he see you? Where? Where will he look for you? How will he find you? Our phones are off. So I don't understand how he's going to find us.
Sabina, he will go to your village house, and you know he will go to your village house.
If he goes there, uncle, my mother knows what to say to him. If he goes, my mother will answer to him. So you to be worried and thinking about how we are going to pay that visa guy to process your visa. And America, here you come. You are crying.
Sabina, I didn't sleep last night though. God knows I don't know if I'll sleep this night. I'm just confused. My head is banging.
You did not sleep last night. Because you were not feeling sleepy. Because if sleep worry, you'll sleep. Now you kill die. Why won't you sleep? Later ask me you go sleep for me. What do you mean by you did not sleep last night? I don't know if you sleep today. Go and sleep. You'll be fine. He will not catch you. You'll soon go to America. Stop panicking. You'll not get with you the best never did before.
I'm so scared though. I'm scared Chooks will kill me.
I'll later ask for me, may you go rest.
You just kill me. You just be confusing my head.
Don't give me! Don't give me! Don't give me! Don't give me! What is it?
Did you see Chooks? Are they looking for me?
I didn't see Chooks. Nobody is looking for you. The day is over. Wedding day is gone. What is this? Why are you panicking like that?
The world will see me as an evil person.
Let them see you now. Why do they have eyes? That man that killed his wife for ritual, he's in prison. You and I know Nigeria is not good. They will bring him out very soon. If he comes outside, he will marry somebody else. If you live your life because of what people will say, how people will see me, you'll be very miserable, my dear. So please, leave this issue. Leave Chooks, let's close this case, I beg. I'm hungry, let's go and eat.
Don't want to eat.
No. You don't want to eat. Ulcer is real, though. Ulcer is real, and I will not take you to the hospital. Stand up and go chop.
Sabina, Chooks didn't do anything to me.
Ogbeni, come and eat. Make you close Chooks chapter for my ear.
Babe, are you sure this guy will come?
He's my guy now. I trust him. He's going to come. Once he gets here now, your visa is ready. You're out of this country.
God, please, I know Chooks will be upset with me. I know I didn't do well. But at the same time, I don't want to die,
Exactly. That should be your song. I don't want to die. I don't want to die because... Remember that man?
Yes.
He ran out of prison. He used his ritual money to bribe police.
You're not serious.
Very serious. That is what Chooks would have done to you if you didn't run for your life.
Why are people like this? Why are people...
Look at him. He's here.
Oh,
What happened now? You kept us with.
I'm so sorry. I wasn't able to one of my clients. So, who among you that is traveling?
My friend, urgent matter. She needs to leave this country fast. So this is fast work, please.
Well, if her money is available, there's no
What is
problem.
not the problem now? I came prepared now. Look, once you process it, everything is ready. Balance will be sent to you.
Okay, I will take this one as my part payment. But she has to send me 5 million into my account.
Hey, Oga, that's too much now. 5 million naira, Oga, that's too much. I don't have such money in my account. What I have is 3 million naira. That's 5 million. Where will I get it from?
Well, let me explain something to you. The money we are talking about here is still your money. Okay?
Really?
Yes, I only want to open a dollar account for you so that it will be easier for you when you go for your interview. Okay? So that once they see such amount in your account, they will grant you a visa so far. But if you don't have such amount in your account, they will look as if maybe you are going there to look for a job or you're a fraudster. You get it now?
Okay.
Yes.
It's okay, but I don't know. If I remove all that money, how will I be eating? What will I be?
Why is Sabina here? Sabina, why your friend? It's better I keep you in my house and feed you than for Chooks to use you and do ritual. So don't worry, I got you covered. You'll stay with me.
Sabina, I have to be on my way now. Once you're ready, I'll send you my account number.
No problem.
Just send the money so that I can start the process.
Do your job.
No problem. I know I'm a busy man, so I have to attend to other customers. No, don't worry, okay? Your visa is guaranteed, okay? Alright, see you.
Alright, take care.
Are you sure this will work?
My guy. I trust him now. Do you know how many people he has helped? Don't worry. You are good to go. Just once he's ready now, you transfer his money. America, here I come.
I can't wait.
I trust him. He's going to do it. Ha! Rose! It is finished.
What's up, babe?
It is finished.
Did you see him?
That guy ran away with your money. He ran away with your money and other
Sabina,
people's money.
Stop.
It is over.
Stop.
It is over.
Sabina, stop.
Hey, he dupes people. He scams people. He's gone. I don't know. I can't reach him. His numbers are not connecting. I don't know.
Sabina, I am not getting this thing. I'm trying to get it. What do you mean by he scammed you?
It means he ran away with your money. There is no more visa. No more visa. No more America. Oh.
Sabina,
No. Sabina, see, I'm trying to stay calm. I'm trying as much as I can to stay calm because I am not getting it. Right now, Sabina, get up, whoever you gave my money to, go and get my money because I don't want to go mad with you, Sabina. I don't want, go and get my money, Sabina. I don't want to go mad with you.
Are you mad? You dey craze? Was I not trying to help you? Eh? If you had gone to America, would you have remembered me? Was I not trying to help you? Don't even get me angry. Let me not chase you out of my house. Where they worry you?
Sabina, you know what is going on, right? You know what is going on. You led me to all these things. Sabina, go and get my money or you take me back to Jukes because I cannot take this. You want to make... Sabina, you make me go crazy because... Sabina, go and get my money.
The money is gone. The money is gone. I did not eat your money. Ordinary to introduce me to Onyeka. Did you do it? Did you do it? Huh?
This whole vicinity
I don't
will
vex
gather.
I don't vex I don't vex
This vicinity will gather for us. So Sabina, go and give me my money.
Go outside.
Sabina, I will not let you go outside. Where?
Go outside.
Go where?
See, don't try me, oh. Let me go and pack it. It's like you are mad.
Sabina, come and kill me. What is the meaning of this? You led me to this now. You're telling me they've duped me for what? Come and kill me because I'm not going anywhere. Jesus, it's not happening. Sabina, come and kill me. Ah! Jesus, no. Sabina, come and take me to Jukes. I am not doing this. I'm not having it. Sabina. Jesus Christ, this is not happening. No way.
Rabi, Nami.
Madam. Are you? You don't tell. Why you tell this time? Come inside now.
Rabi, please, I don't want to come inside. Is your guy in?
No. Oga no dey at all. Oga don't come up for country.
What? I don't know.
You know dey. Wait, madam. Wait, I hear say you run. Where you go this time now? You know say, as Oga don't stay, no come. You don't come out go Obodo Oyibo. As it be like this, I don't even know when they come back at all. Eh? Wait.
You don't know when he's coming back?
I don't know at all. Right,
That's
madam.
fine, Rabi, please. It's a very long story. I don't want to talk about it. You know what?
See, madam, you really sure Oga Shege. As he come out, Oga nearly commit suicide. Are they serious now?
Rabi, it's okay. I will see you later, okay? I'll talk. I'll see you later. Rabi, I'll see you later.
That's my wicked dude.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Who are you?
Okay, it's me, Rose.
Rosemary Nwam.
Soko.
You mean you are not kidnapped? You are still alive?
Yes, Uncle, I'm alive.
When did you come back?
Uncle, I'm just coming now. I went to your house and my cousins told me that you're here checking something.
Yes. Since Truth built the new place for you people, I decided to come here to check and see what I can do. Why did you disappear? What happened?
Uncle, it's actually Sabina that deceived me. Sabina made me do what I did. I don't know.
You mean you actually left that man that day and you were not kidnapped?
I wasn't kidnapped. It was Sabina that told me to run away. That chicks wanted to use me for money rituals. And I ran away.
Are you playing? You are serious in what you are telling me now? Eh?
Uncle, I'm serious. Anything you want to do to me right now, you people should do because I don't even deserve to be alive.
Have you gone to your new place? That young man nearly destroyed the whole thing there. But from the intervention of the youths, we have to make him to swear to us that he is not aware of your whereabouts. But thank God you are alive. My daughter, please go to your house. Your brother is there roasting.
What?
Your brother, his business just scattered since he came back. And I've been there roasting, just suffering. Go and appease that young man, please, so that your life will be better. Eh?
Uncle, I've gone to his house. The gate man said he has traveled out of the country. I can't reach him.
Then you can equally go to his family people and beg them so that they can appeal to
Uncle, I
him.
cannot do that. I can't do that. Uncle, they will kill me. It's true that I need to see Choose to beg him because my life is shattered. Sabina has destroyed my life, Uncle. I don't... Why am I living? I'm living for nothing.
Mary, my daughter, your parents, when they were alive, never made this kind of mistake you've just made. Well, we thank God that they are still alive. Please, go and do something better so that your life will have a better meaning.
Uncle, let me get to the house and see my brother.
What? That girl did all that? And she pretended when I was coming. As if she did nothing.
I'm sorry. Listen, I was actually happy when I saw you, but I was so scared. I felt you would kill me. But listen, I'm not so happy to see you again.
It's okay. I've forgiven you. I can't continue being angry with you after all you've told me. It's okay.
Jukes, listen, I still love you. I've never dated any man since we parted. So I don't know, what do we do?
Rose, I'm so sorry I cannot do this, okay? The trauma you left on me has really disturbed me. I've not wedded my wife because of the trauma. And I've actually gone to collect back the dowry I paid on you when I returned from abroad.
Jukes, no.
Yeah, I did.
Jukes, no. You have to return it. Return it, Jukes, because I'm still in love with you. Listen, I don't mind if you take me for your sake. Even if it's the second wife, I don't mind, Jukes. Please.
No, I said no. I love my wife. Okay?
I still love you.
You don't have to love me. I love my wife. I'm married now.
Can you just make love to me?
What?
Please.
What do we do now? What do we do? You just reminded me of the past when we used to make sweet love. Wow. My wife is not just sweet in bed. You're just the best. Baby, you're so sweet. You've not changed.
I wish you too. What do you think? Don't you think we're meant for each other? Listen, Choose, I can't marry another man if not you. I can't cope. Yes.
Baby, I must confess. I'm really confused right now. You know what? I just have to go back. I don't want her to... I don't want her to start looking for me.
What are we doing? Chooks, I ask you, what are we doing? I don't know, why don't you want to give me another chance to rewrite my wrong? Why don't you want to do that? Please, Chooks, think about it. Please.
Just give me time to think. I just need to think.
Wish you can wish anything from today till tomorrow. But marriage is not all about wishes. Kimalukwa.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Let's go!
1, 2. All right, this way. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Let's Okay.
One.
Let's go.
Two. Let's go. Okay. One. Let's go. Two. Let's go. Let's go. One.
Let's go.
Two. Let's go. Let's go. One. Two.
Let's go.
One. Two. Let's go. One. Two. Let's go. One.
Let's go.
Two. Let's go. One. Two.
Let's go.
One.
Let's go.
Two. Let's go. One. Two. All that. Breathe in. Breathe in. 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 Let's go. Breathe in. 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 Out. Breathe in. 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 Out. Breathe in. Take it again. In. 1, 2. This way. 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2. Let's go. 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 Better. Okay, let's go. 1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2. And why are you coming in by now?
My wife said I was waiting for my wife.
And where is she?
She was taking a conditioner.
Okay. Go and join them.
And I said, let us go and join. And she was all busy lobbying.
My friend, I said go there and stay. You are distracting us.
You just join us. You talk too much.
You cannot insult a high chief. I have money.
Hey, Mr. Man. Hey, Grace. Mind yourself.
Let us go. Illiterate, but I cannot buy your papa's house.
Let's go. 1, 2.
Yeah, and this is yellow.
What?
You cannot be put on a chief. I'm a chief. I have money. Let me come and sit.
Okay, go to the front. Go to the front now.
No. This local man will not stand close to me.
I will stand in front.
No, you cannot stand close to me.
Does your papa have money? You call me Uruka.
Hey, my friend, can you respect yourself?
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
You don't have respect. This boy looks so like Onyoli Achon at Dubai.
It's okay, please. I don't like this. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah, let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh yeah, let's go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Uku nwunye m ka nke uku asa. Uku asa m ka nke. 1, 2. 1, 2. If you push me again, I will invite you now. 1, 2. You don't have a respect.
1, 2. Let's go. 1, 2. Let's go.
Move
If he has a fallen,
let's take her.
Someone should get water.
Let's take her. Mr. Man, I don't want anything to happen to her. She's very important to me.
Hold on. There's a way to do this, okay? Right, chill, okay? Chill. Don't follow do this.
don't give her
Jokes!
Then
what are you trying to do?
What's wrong with you?
Get up. What's your problem? Let me carry her. I can carry her. Mr. Mozo, please. Don't touch my wife again.
Hey.
Let's help her
This
now.
is my wife. Hey, take it easy, okay? I think hey, hold on. I think she needs a mouth respiration.
I can do that.
You can do what?
yeah, that's exactly what I wanted to do. Come on, guys. Come on.
You can do what?
What is your problem now?
You can do what?
What is your problem? Please help me.
I will.
But instructor, you play both of us together. You say whenever we are outside, we should always be with our parents.
Not in a situation like this, okay?
Exactly.
Not in a situation like this.
Exactly. So stop showing that you just
Please,
lift an air conditioner.
I can carry her alone. Mr. Ben,
Just lift her.
Mr. Only me can carry her.
Moderator.
Let me carry her.
They said I should carry.
Let me carry her now. I can carry her. Come on, I said don't touch my wife again. Carry her now. I can carry her alone.
Let the men move her from. She needs an air conditioner.
I will carry.
You can carry her. Let me carry her.
I will carry her.
Men, carry her.
I can carry her alone.
I will. Carry now.
Lift her.
I can put some. Join us now.
Join them, I like them.
Carry. Put your hand now. What is going on?
It isn't only me that you
Hey, I don't like this. You guys need to cooperate. What is all this?
You paid both of us together. They didn't allow me to carry her. Even my wife here.
Hey.
Mr. Ben, what wrong did I do? No, are you not the one that paired us together?
You're right, but of a truth, you were too fast. Don't you think that your wife will be jealous?
Mr. Ben, this is not fair. This is not fair at all. He even refused me to help them carry her inside. Mr. Ben, if he continue this way, he's going to spoil this program. After all, he was paired with another person's wife.
And why are you complaining? Greg, why are you complaining? Greg, are you not disgracing yourself? Are you the only one that is being paired with someone? What is it?
Madam, it's okay, please. Can you go back to where you came from? Go back to where you are. I'll handle this.
Please, sir, with due respect. I do not like this. Talk to this man here to get a grip of himself. What is it?
Like I said, I will handle this, okay? Go back to where you are. If they are done, tell them to come out so that we can continue the exercise. Thank you.
Mr. Ben, so who am I not going to be with? Who am I going to be with since she's upstairs?
Don't worry, I'll handle this. I'll figure a way out. If possible, I may pay you with another person.
No.
You say no?
You have already paired us together now. You can't change it.
It's a training, so don't worry yourself. I'm handling this. I'm the one in charge. So you can't tell me what to do, right? Don't worry, I'll pay you with another person. And mind you, what we are talking about is someone's wife, not your wife, right? Good.
Yes, I know. But
just to learn from the process. So learn from the process. It's a training. Most important thing is for you to learn. You're not here to waste your time.
Okay, no problem. But at least try to work it out so you can pay us back. Thank you.
I will do that. Thank you.
Guy, don't tell me that crap. Don't tell me that nonsense. So if that visa guy had not failed her, that's how she would have run away from this country and leave you to suffer alone here. Yeah, no. That girl is wicked. She's extremely wicked. What if you have died in the process? Is she a baby? Is she a child? Okay, wait. So if her friend have asked her to kill you, she would have gone ahead and take your life away. Is that what you're trying to tell me? Listen, guy, don't let me come to that place and see that girl. Okay? Don't let me see her there. Because even your family will not want to see her in your house again. That girl went too far. She went too far. Okay, you know what? Why don't you just focus on how to build your love between you and your wife so that she can love you the way you love her? See, you know what? I have to go to work now. I'm running late, okay? I'll talk to you later. Rubbish, what nonsense. This guy. Where's my bag?
What do I do now? I'm confused. Onyeka was kind of right.
Juice? Are you okay? What's going on? Why are you here alone?
I'm fine. I'm okay. I was on a call with someone.
Juice, is it because of me? Juice, I still love you. Please don't leave me now again. I'm begging you, please.
Wait, we will talk this over, okay? Right now I'm still thinking. Yeah. Come on, let's go back to the arena.
Babe.
You're awake. Oh, thank God. I'm happy you woke up.
What happened? Why am I here?
You fainted. So we have to bring you here so the AC can touch you.
Really?
Yes.
So, where is Greg?
What?
Where is Greg?
It is not important. Greg, are you serious?
Let's go. I mean, why is he not here with me? He's supposed to be
When
here.
I'm here? Mr. Ben said you need to be here to be strong.
Well, I'm strong now. Let's go downstairs. I'm strong.
You're not fine.
I'm fine.
You need to be strong. Well, don't tell me you not think about this guy.
You don't think about your own partner, so please, let's go. Let's go now, please.
Are you sure that this is love? Love.
Hey, it's okay, guys. We are done with this. The lesson line should be breakfast. I want us to go and take breakfast. Yes, after the breakfast, we'll go for a few lectures on the modalities and all the process and progress of this program, right? Then, after the lectures, we'll go for afternoon swimming.
Mr. Ben, now that my partner is out, who will you now pair me with?
Don't worry yourself, I'll sort it out, okay? Yes, I will make some changes, right?
My friend, don't be angry. Don't be angry. Don't be angry.
Okay, here they are. Okay. Are you fine now?
Okay, now, so okay.
You okay? Are you sure you're okay?
Very, very fine.
She is not fine. She is here because of this man here. Yes.
Listen, Mr. Ben, I'm so angry with you. I mean, how could I have fainted and you didn't allow my partner to come upstairs?
Will you ask them?
Never! Loser. He's all myself. Sure.
This girl.
What?
But the leg is not your partner.
He's my husband.
Even if after that.
But he said outside you will be with your partner. This is my partner outside now. All right, go that side.
Mr. Ben.
Hey, please stop this, please. I don't like this. Stop it, okay? There is something, please, 1 minute, please. There's something you need to understand. I made it clear. Your partner will be with you outside the room. Once you enter your room, you stay with your husband, right?
Tell her to come back here.
Mr. Ben, I don't like this. Is Greg her partner? Is Greg her partner? And let her go back to her partner.
He's my husband.
It is inside I'm your husband. Outside be with your partner. Go there now.
It's okay. Excuse me, ma. Can you go back to where you were?
Madam, move.
Go there. This is my partner outside.
Okay, listen.
Outside, this is my partner.
Look at you like the mother is a frying.
Hey, don't insult my wife.
Does your mother fry buns?
Don't insult my wife. Don't insult my wife.
You don't have money.
I don't have money. Are you the only person that have money?
It's okay, please. It's okay. There is something you need to know. We need to respect ourselves. Please. If you're going there to the restaurant, you have to stay with your partner and not your husband or wife. Did you hear what I said? Good. Stay with your partner, but respect yourself. Know that you're married. Okay? Respect your wife, respect your husbands. Please. Let's cooperate to this. Okay? There is a fine. If you default, there is a fine to pay. I hope you guys are aware, right?
I have money. I cannot pay fine.
If you have money, you pay a fine if you default.
I have money.
You have to be careful. It's okay, sir. We are done with you. Thank you. So let's cooperate ourselves. This is my partner. Let's go I'll call you. So next in line.
Inside, your wife. Outside, my partner. Simple instruction.
It is like this modulator.
How could you? How could you, Greg? How could you be so cheap? Of all the men here, you are the only one who has fallen so cheaply for your partner. Why?
As far as I'm concerned, I have done nothing wrong.
Really?
What about you? Huh? What about you that have been having a wet dream for your partner? Listen, do not get me mad.
Oh, please! Please! Don't just try to use it as a cover-up. Greg, I'm warning you. Don't allow me to do what you will not like. Pushing me.
Listen, I don't have time for this. Okay? The only thing I want now is to go in there and take a cold shower. Then go down and grab something to eat. I'm really starving.
Well, it's okay. We will all go down there. And you will see me in action. You will see it.
Wait, what do you plan to do?
Just wait and see.
Marriage is practical. So, igagaje ite vendidi. Inigo, stop complaining.
Hello.
Stop regretting.
Hi.
Mrs. Chika.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm okay. Sorry, what's your name again?
My name is Agu.
Oh, Agu, my friend. Sorry, there's something I want to ask you about.
Okay. Go on. I'm all ears.
I want to know, who are the people in charge of the food sharing?
Food sharing?
Yes.
If not me. I'm the one in charge. Agu.
Oh.
Agu is in charge.
Oh, good.
And my assistant Jane.
Okay.
Yes, we are into sharing.
Good, that's good. Okay, I want to tell you something. If you can do this for me, I will pay you heavily.
I got involved. Money is involved.
A lot of money.
What am I here for? Go ahead. Tell me. What is it? Is there anything?
But first of all, I want to know, can I trust you? I don't want any other person to hear about this.
Hey, you don't say this thing. If you ask around, Agu and Secret, we are twins. I'm a keeper of secret. Nobody will, anything you tell me will enter here, the other ear will not hear it. I can't even hear you from this side. See it. Come. Nobody will see us here, don't worry.
Listen, I want you to put poison in my husband's food.
Stop
shouting now. Why are you shouting? This is why I didn't want to tell you. Listen, I'm going to pay you good money. Are you not tired of working in this place as this?
I see. I'm more. Stop.
Stop. Are you trying to call people?
Yeah. Come in. Have they finished cooking the food?
Yes, sir, they have finished.
Okay.
Sir?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but I don't know. Don't you think things are really getting worse? Like these couples, this thing I think is really tearing them apart.
Well, things are falling in place. Because that's the process, that's the program, and that's the game. What is happening to them now will really bring them back to each other. I trust what I'm doing. Okay? You will see it. It will happen. They will really fall back to each other because without jealousy, I don't think love will hold. So don't worry yourself. I know what I'm doing.
So I pray this works because what happened today, I just feel there will be war between these couples. That's what I think.
Trust me, there will be no war between any of them. Similar thing happened in Benin, though you were not there. But trust me, we handled it. I know what I'm doing. This is what we are trained to do. Okay?
It's really tempting, It's very tempting. Extremely.
I know it's tempting. I as well know that you are admiring one of the men there.
Excuse me?
You heard me loud and clear. You do not want to tell me what is going on between you and Chooks.
That's the same way you do not want to tell me what is going on between you and Chika. Excuse me.
She knows.
Harry, please don't even start me right now. I mean, what's the problem? Eh? I'm so angry with you right now, so don't go there.
Angry with me that I have done what? You know the same person who disgraced me out there?
Oh, really?
Yes.
Harry, I disgraced you. Oh, don't even dare use that reverse psychology on me. I mean, what do you mean? Do you think I'm a fool? What did I do? What did I do? I was only interacting with my partner, as Mr. Ben said. He said we should get to know each other and build up emotion. That was exactly what I did. Oh. So what's the problem?
You want us to build emotions now, right?
Yes.
Fine. They don't get angry when I start building with my partner.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Bravo. You think I'm a fool, right? You think I don't have eyes? I don't have brain? You think I don't see what you did with your partner out there? You almost nicked her. So what are you saying? Do you know what? I'm not even ready for this conversation. I just want to take my bath, go downstairs and eat with my partner. So shut up.
Bravo. I want us to build emotions.
What? Has he really gotten to that extent?
I'm shocked. Eh?
Hi! Where did that man even marry that woman from that wants to kill him?
I don't know. Choose is my guy, yo. Eh? Choose is my guy. I will not let anything to happen to him.
Maybe we should tell Ben.
Begging?
Ben?
My Ben Johnson. Ben is the worst person you will tell that to. Because he will not do anything. I think he will report to Oga.
Then let's tell Oga. Let's tell our boss. I knew it. I knew that there is something between Ben and that woman. I know. Chika.
Hey, Segene, you should be worried about what is between Chika's husband, Choose, my guy, and Bruce.
You two, you know Chooks.
I tell you, that's what I'm telling you now. Choose is my guy. Way back. I know him.
What is happening now? Looks like everyone here knows everybody around. I need to look for who to know to.
Meaning what? When you know me, you don't need to know anybody. Jenny stick Jenny toe.
Respect yourself. Come.
Jenny stick Jenny. Come and know me. Know me, know me, know me.
So why are you not talking?
What do you want me to say?
They asked us to come here and talk.
And what do you want me to say? If our marriage will stand or not? Huh? If you want it over, I'm good.
Wow. Chooks, are you the one saying all this?
Yes, I am the one saying it. I don't care if you want it over. I'll be happy. I'll be so happy.
I see. So the lady Rose is the Rose that you have been missing all these years? No wonder.
You think I don't know about your escapades with Ben? You think I don't know? Oh, you're surprised.
What are you talking about?
No, you're surprised, right? No wonder he matched himself with you. Do you know what? We just have to end this. So we'll follow our heart. Okay? So you go ahead and follow Ben. Oh, you think I don't know? Whatever.